All right. So a couple of more bugs or peculiar activity that I found while testing Ride Journal. First, I'm going to go ahead and log in. When I log in, it would be nice to be taken directly to the planner page. I know there's stats here for indoor and outdoors, but I like to look at my stats after I've entered all the cool new data I have. I'm usually not going to look at my stats before I enter the data, so going right to the planner page is going to be more efficient for me. I'm going to add data for August 14th. So I'm going to go back to August, click on the week of the 8th, scroll down to the 14th, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to enter a ride manually. So enter some minutes manually, starting with 20 minutes in zone 1, 20 minutes in zone 2, 10 minutes in zone 3, 5 minutes in zone 4, and 2 minutes in zone 5. I'm going to click on the calc button. And we're waiting. Okay, that worked that time.
This is the wrong date. Should be August 14th.
Very interesting. Okay, well, just for the sake, what it did before is gave me 2 lines, and I have the video to prove it. I'm going to go and add now an uploaded ride for that same date, and I believe it's an outdoor ride, so we'll just call it outdoors, and I did say that was the 14th. We'll select the 14th. Hit save. Goes through, calculates, and there we have it. It doesn't look like the ride I entered before, but hey, we'll
Notice now September 11th has no data.
And looks like I'm back in September. Don't know why that. So you can see that my calendar says that it's Monday. The 8th is the week, but you can see that my calendar day is the 5th, September 5th. So I can try to select the 8th with no success. I'm going to select the 1st. Okay, that worked. I'm going to select the 8th. Okay, looks like I'm back in August again. And now I'm going to go down here, and you'll notice that it seems to do something different every single time. So a little challenging here. It now added a second ride that imitates the first ride, which I didn't enter. And then it did put in my data for the uploaded ride. So first thing I tried to do before is just remove this by deleting the data that's in each of the fields, because I don't want 2 of the same ride. I'm going to click the recalc button, and you'll notice that it doesn't go away. So I'm going to now zero everything out, hit the recalc button, and that takes care of it for me. So of course it still leaves the ride 2 minutes there displayed, because now the uploaded ride is in ride 3. So that's probably not going to change anything. Now what I did before that totally blew everything up was I went in and deleted 2 rides at the same time, and it definitely didn't like that. I wound up getting an actual error an entire error page, like a .NET, well, not a .NET, but oops, don't know what I just did. Notice it says September 6th here. It's back on August 8th. And let's go back to the 14th. And completely, I don't know what, I hit the back button and I lost everything. Let me see if I can recreate the other error that I was actually trying to create, but instead I created a new one. So you can definitely see there's some very bizarre stuff going on. Alright, so I'm going to put that in there, I'm going to enter that, and hey, look at that, I got all 5 rides now, they're cranking. So this, you know, it just gets wacky. So let me see if I can actually create the problem where it really blows up. And I did that by deleting 2 rides at the same time. Of course, not really deleting them, but zeroing them out. Okay, so that of course we know that doesn't work. You have to put zeros in to seemingly get things to go away. And I'm going to hit this. Try to delete 2 rides at the same time. And I think that might have happened. Let's just kill the entire day altogether because I totally botched it up. Okay, so that seemed to work. Before it actually kicked me out and gave me a big error. So there's a couple more bizarre happenings there, and hopefully that'll maybe shed some light, or at least give you some more things to play around with.